Only time, let me go.
Ooh, who snapped somebody? And like, I don't know, you just snapped me out of nowhere. Y'all getting out of control. With K, yeah. Okay, guys and gals, I'm going to cook pork chops in the oven with some Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to walk you through how I do that. So tune in. Clean sink. I already seasoned up our pork chops on both sides, as you can see. I used a little bit of lemon pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and of course seasoning salt on both sides. Okay, we're going to take a regular Pyrex glass pan and pour a little bit of olive oil into the glass pan. Now that that's done, we're going to go get our pork chops and put them in the Pyrex, just like that. Now that our lovely pork chops are sitting and swimming in the olive oil, and we already set the oven to 375, they're ready to cook. Now that we did that, we're going to wash our hands and we're going to handle our Brussels sprouts. I'm cooking one side because I'm cooking for myself. If I was cooking for somebody else, I would cook another side. We're going to put some water into the pan with our Brussels sprouts. While the Brussels sprouts are boiling on a low temperature, we're just going to put a little bit of salt in while they're boiling. We're going to take the top, put it on the pan, and just let it steam for a while. It should take maybe 20 minutes at the most. And while all that cooks, we're going to sit here and wait and watch Mob Wives. You recording me? Yes. Hi. Say hi, Snapchat. Hi, Snapchat. You also got to sit at the kitchen table with your friend. That's optional too.
Hello.
Hello. All right, we just made this agreement. Secret, top secret. Is it top secret? What you got to say about this?
Just know I'm going regardless.
I bet. Is to feed our guests with Doritos and to season the Brussels sprouts with black pepper and a little bit of seasoning salt, and we put butter into the pot.
Let me see.
Checking out our little pork chop. Hey guys, so I poured the olive oil out of the pan and I cut 2 slices of butter and I put it on there, and I'm gonna put the what's this shit called? Don't be sitting up here judging me. We're gonna put the aluminum foil back on the little glass pan and then put it back in the oven. Diamond's over here making me nervous. I keep having to
Go.
Hello? Who is this? No. Do not call microphone anymore. I'm her African prince. Yeah, you heard me. I am her African prince. You do not call my girlfriend no more, or I fight you in the club. Okay? Yes. Do you know who this is? No, you can't. You speak to me?
So I guess I can't talk to that nigga no more.
Oh yeah, we gotta put this back into the oven, guys. Thanks for tuning in. What? Say what up.
Pop and snap.
Push it up, let me see you dance. Wobble, wobble, shake, shake it, shake it,
That's so quiet.
wobble, just push it, show me what you got, show me what you got. Wait a minute.
Then that way though. I know, it'll cost more. But that'll give us time to actually get the money or get your taxes back or however you're getting the money.
Smoke on some blood and she gon' keep it so real with the niggas that I'ma come back and always go fuck with her. In the curve and the spray like a motherfucker.
So I think Cardi B lied. Cause hoes do get cold. Like burr. Y'all see this? It's me about to die. Just in case someone finds my phone. I love you, Mom. You got something to say? I'm cold. Wait, stop telling me that, but see if it's on my damn poppin'. Oh, my damn just got a body. Why does one time want to be perfect and the other time want to look like not all? I said, how you be putting your fingers? Fix your fingers. Gang. She can't go do it like that. She gotta fix her fingers. She gonna.
That's why contour
So
shit just happens like that. Don't look at me.
Bree, you disrespectful.
Somebody give me a.
Wait, hold on. What was doing? Bree,
was here making my ass fat like bring that ass back like. I mean, I don't got a booty. I'm in it.
like that, basically. Yo. Makeup still on fleek. Bruh, my night was so crazy. Like, do you see all the... Well, I'm gonna show y'all. 1 band, 2 bands. My night was lit. I got a story time, but I'm gonna talk about it later because after I wash all of this off, I'm going to bed. Good night.